Good morning, students. Today we learn English subject. Conduct on English subject online class conduct by NCGM. So you see me and tell me after me. Okay. Sing a song. Okay. Now start a poem. Help me with my homework. Do shall I do? Help me with my homework. Do shall I do?
In my homework to shall
If your marbles in my hand. Okay, try. Help me with my homework. Do shall I do? If your marbles in your bag, I will favor you. I will favor you. I have marbles in my bag and lots of candies too. You like candies, students? I have marbles in my bag and lots of candies too. So help me with my homework. Do shall I do? Do shall I do? Who cares for the candies? Who cares for the candies? Be there lots or few? Who cares for the candies? Be there lots or few? But for the marbles in your bag, I will favor you. I will favor you. Okay, students, no problem. So this is the song is about help. Okay, you take help into your complete your homework, your your elders, your parents. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So students, today we learn one lesson, the helpful girl. Okay. In English subject, we learn a lesson, the helpful girl. You like to help others?
Yes.
Yes or no? Okay. So we all like to help each other. So we'll see in this lesson one girl, Rima. She helped everyone. Okay. So we read this lesson and we discuss. Understand, students?
Yes.
Okay. So I share my screen. We read the lesson and discuss. Okay. Okay. All of you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. So read with me. Okay. Let me ask some questions. Lesson number 5, the helpful girl. Okay, read and discuss. Students, see the picture. The first picture. What you see in this picture?
The girl gives us milk
To cat.
to drink a cat.
Yes, very good. So, I read these 2 lines. Once there lived a girl, Rima. This girl we see in this picture, her name is Rima. She was very, very helpful. And now she helped this cat to give food and milk. Yes. Now see the second picture. When she went to school, she helped everyone in the class. See the girl Rima and second one is her friend. So Rima is very helpful. When she went to school, she helped everyone in the class. Can you help everyone in the class, students?
Yes.
Your classmate, how? How you help? What you are doing? How you help?
I
Yes. You give notebooks to your friend. Okay. Then share your notes. Okay. Explain your studies. Help to solve the sums. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, so students, we see in this two picture, Rima is very helpful. In first picture, she helping the cat. She is giving milk and food and taking care of cat. Okay, and we also take care of our some pets in our surroundings. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, in your surrounding, you have some dogs, cats, other animals. So you also give them food. Okay. Now in second picture, she helped everyone in our school. She helped them in your notes, in the studies. Okay, guide their friends in their studies, and they all learn together. Understand all of you? These 4 lines.
Yes.
Okay, now we see the next picture. When she come back home, she helped mother and father.
Wow.
And Rima, see the picture.
Wow.
You see the picture,
Wow.
students? Yes, she helped in her in our house. Okay, she is cleaning, dusting. Okay, see the picture. Help her mother and father. She help her mother in kitchen and father in work. You help your father and mother, students. How you help your mother? Anyone can tell me? You, mother, you fold your clothes. Yes. Make your things in proper place. Arrange your books. Yes or no?
Yes.
And help your father also. Okay. Now see, when she went out, she picked up small stones and thrones. Why, students, she picked the stones? Anyone can tell me? You all are going to playground. You all went to playground. So whenever we go to playground, okay, what we are doing? We remove our shoes and we running here and there and we play. Then sometimes some stones harm our foot. Yes or no? So what Rima is doing? She pick all stones and thrones and put it in the dustbin. Now see the next picture. When she went for a picnic, she took care of her friends. When she going to picnic, what she doing? Take care of her friends. Okay. She give our things, share yes.
Share of her friend.
Yes. What you are doing when you go to picnic?
Friends.
Yes, but what you are doing? Sharing your tiffin, snacks, chocolates. Yes or no?
No. She
No.
took care. Friends.
Yes, she took care of her friends. Okay. Now see the next picture, students. When she went to a shop, she select things carefully. Okay. You go to a shop with your mommy and papa.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So what you are doing?
Things. She
Buying.
select
Yes, buying.
things
Buying.
carefully.
Yes, buying some things. But sometimes what you are doing? Mommy, I want this. I want that. Okay. And you cry for chocolates and biscuits and some games. But Rima don't do this. She select things. She think what we have, what we want. And she thinks carefully. And then she select things. Okay.
Yes.
Now Students, see the in this first picture. She helped her mother and father. In second picture, took care for her friends when she go to picnic. And in third picture, she select things very carefully. You understand this, students?
Yes.
Okay. Now next. See the last picture. She made greeting cards for her friends and gave them on their birthday.
Greeting card for her friends
Yes, and gave them on their birthdays.
and give them on your school.
Yes.
Their birthdays.
She was the best girl in our school. She made greeting cards. Students, okay, what you,
our school.
okay.
Their birthdays. She
Sure.
was girl in our school.
Okay, very good. Sure, what you give to your friend in this birthday?
Greeting cards. Greeting cards.
And only greeting card? What you give to your friend? Gifts and
Greeting cards.
okay. Rima made own greeting cards and she liked to give all her friends to give them on their birthday. Okay. Now she was the best girl in our school. So students, here our lesson is complete. Okay. Now tell me.
The helpful girl.
Yes, the helpful girl. Now tell me students, what Rima doing? Why we tell her a good girl?
A girl. Rima.
Yes. What she's
very, very helpful.
yes. Then
She went to school.
yes.
She helped everyone in the class.
Yes. Then
When she came back home, she helped her mother and father. When she went to the playground, when she went for stone and thorns. Stop. He selected carefully.
okay, very good.
He went for made
Make greeting cards.
It was the best girl care of her friend.
Okay.
When she went to a shop, she selected things
Carefully.
carefully.
Okay, now students, you repeat after me. Okay. Students, you repeat after me. Okay. We see all things what Rima doing. Repeat after me. Rima went to school. Rima helped everyone in the class. Rima helped her mother
Rima helped her mother
and father.
And her father.
Pick up small stones.
Pick up small stones.
And thorns.
Small stones and thorns.
Yes. Rima selected things. Carefully. Rima made greeting cards. Okay. Okay, very good students. Okay, very good students. Now, I show you some pictures. Okay. You all are helping each other. You see the picture, students, and tell me how the children help others. Yes, student. You see the picture, all of you?
Yes.
Okay. See what the boy is doing?
Umbrella, boy, and dog. A boy,
Boy help the doggy.
the dog is the umbrella.
Yes. Boy save the dog from rain. Okay. So he help animals. He save animals. Okay, student?
Okay.
Yes. Now we see the next picture. See what the boy is doing.
The boy is water.
Yes, boy close the tap and save water. Yes,
Water.
this is a good habit. Okay.
Good habit.
Yes, this is a good habit. So the boy close the tap and save the water.
Water.
Understand you?
Yes,
Now
teacher.
see the picture. What the girl is doing? The girl put garbage in dustbin. Okay. Very good. Now we see the next picture. See. Boys discuss their studies. Okay. One boy explain other boy. So we help each other. We help our friends. Understand, students? See, he explain her friends and discuss about their studies. Now see the picture. What do you see in this picture?
Mother washing a utensil.
Yes. And what the boy doing?
Boy doing cleaning the utensil.
Yes, cleaning the dish. Okay. So boy help her mother to clean and washing this dish.
Dishes and bowl.
Okay. Yes, very good. Now see, this little girl. What she is doing?
She is doing. She is helping.
Yes.
She is crossing
Crossing.
the road. On
Yes.
the
But she helping a old woman. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. She is helping a old woman to cross the road. Now see what the boy is doing.
The boy doing give grass for the cow.
Yes.
Feeding.
Yes, give grass to cow and help the animals. Yes or no?
Yes.
Help, yes, help the animals. Okay, now tell me. This boy is not feeling well and his friend come to meet him. Okay. You go to meet your friends when he or she ill. Yes or no, students?
Yes.
Yes. We go to meet our friends when he or she is ill and give them notes. Okay.
Yes.
Now see. In classroom. In classroom, we help each. Okay. In our classroom, this girl helped the boy. Now, what the girl is doing in this picture?
The girl is giving water to flowers.
Yes.
What?
Plants.
The plants. To
Yes.
plant.
Yes, watering the plant and help our elders. Now see, here is a boy and give medicine to,
Old woman.
yes, old woman, his grandparents. Give medicine to his grandparents. Okay, so he helped his family.
Because the boy helped the old woman.
Yes, the boy helped old woman. Very good. Now see the picture.
The baby is crying. The boy is laughing the baby.
Yes, take care for baby. Taking care for baby. Okay, and taking care for our, we also take care for our little brother or sister. Yes or no?
I care my brother.
Yes, we take care of our brother and sister. So you all are helping girl or boy. Yes or no? You all are helping each other. So you students, you all are helping girl and helping boy. Like Rima. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now students, I ask you some question. How you help your friend in the school?
Rima.
Not Rima, you. You tell me uh how you help your friend in school?
Yes. We help to study.
Ah,
My friends.
yes. Help in study, give some notebooks. Okay, the complete notebooks, solve sums. Yes or no?
I said, anyone have no the pencil? I give my friends pencil.
Very good. You shared your pencil and sometimes you share your tiffin also. Yes or no?
I share my tiffin.
Yes. Sometimes you share your tiffin, your water bottle. Okay. Now, second question. What are the things you do for your mother and father?
Mother and father water. I give mother and father water.
Yes, very good. When father come from office, you give a glass of water. Okay. Then you help mother for cooking, cleaning.
My mother go the school and come back the home. I give a tea for my mother.
Very good. You give a tea for your mother and the best help is you do your own work. Okay. You arrange your clothes, arrange your books, fold your clothes, and take the things in your proper place. Okay.
I wash utensils. My mother say, no, you know wash utensils.
Yes, because you are in the first standard. You are small children. When you are go to higher standards, you help more. Okay. So students, when what you are doing here, you arrange your books, arrange your fold your clothes, and you take everything on proper place. Okay. Take your pencil in compass box, all your books, everything. You take things and take their proper place. Your games, your shoes. Okay. So you help your mother like this. Okay, students. When you go to playground, what you are doing?
I go to my friends. I go to the playground, and my friend. I care my friends.
Okay. You also take your small brother and sisters. So you take care of them also. Okay. When you go to play, you go playground and garden. What you are doing? With your small brother, sister, or small children. You take care. Okay.
Thorns and stones. Uh,
Okay.
uh,
Okay, students. How you help the animals, pet animals?
I pet when dog is walking on the road, then is rain coming, then we taking umbrella and go and helping to the dog.
Yes, and we can't harm in any animal. Okay. We give them food.
Cat drinking for milk.
Yes.
I cat for a milk to drink a
Yes.
milk.
Give them milk, food, and water also. Okay. Yes. So you all are become a good, good girl and good boy like Rima. Okay, students.
Yes.
Okay, now students, in our textbook, page number 37, here one question. Write the action that Rima did. So you write, this is your homework. Okay. So write the action that Rima did. So Rima did some work in this lesson. So you write view number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and write what Rima is doing. Okay. So this question is your homework. In the, today we learn what we help each other. Okay. How we help each other in our class, in our house, in our surrounding, in our neighbors, and we should be a good person. Okay, good girl and a good boy, and we become like Rima, the helpful girl. Yes or no? Okay, so you all should try to become a good boy and a good girl, a helpful girl. Okay, helpful girl and a helpful boy. So students, you like this lesson and like this pictures, so you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.